Okay, welcome. We're doing the first Eyes on the Prize discussion. So day one is about the inquiry cube. So the Eyes on the Prize, as I see it for the inquiry cube, is that this captures most of the good stuff of science in that 60-minute time period. We got questions, that science starts with questions, science uses evidence, science has public consensus building, and there's critiques and criticisms in a public manner to improve the knowledge. This also captures another thing about science that our class does quite a bit. We keep cycling through. We collect data, we find a pattern, and we can make accurate predictions. So that's the Eyes on the Prize for the inquiry cube. I also said I'd give out some pointers that may not be in the slides and things that I think are impactful. One of the things that I like talking about is that scientists go to conferences to show off, to become a hotshot. Because if you want to get the grants so you can do the research you want, you got to show you get things done. And how do you show the world you get things done? You go to conferences and show the world what you have done. So I play that up a lot. And then, of course, you attend a conference because you ultimately want to be a hotshot, but there's things you got to learn in science so you can be one. And then the last thing is building a culture of participation and success. So there, during the conference time, during the inquiry, I'm going around to a group and saying, what pattern did you find? Okay, I'm going to call on you for male, female. I'm going to call on you for the number in the lower left. You, the number in the lower right. And that way, when I say science conference, it flows. I pick this group, that group, and people are talking. It sets the tone that in this class, when I say conference, it's not dead silence. It's you are expected to have a good answer when you're called on. Now, I've kind of stacked the deck, of course. And then we also just want to have that success. So by the end of this, if they're paying attention with the conferencing, everyone's going to walk out having a good idea what's on the bottom of the cube. Thanks. See you next time.